Hello, mathematicians. I am proud. I see that you are getting much better at remembering our jobs when we compare groups. You are remembering to match, draw your line and match the things, box up those extras, circle the group that's greater, and put a big ol' X, get out of here, to the group that is less. Today, we're going to take it one step further. Of course, they just got to keep getting trickier and trickier. So today, you will need pages 77, 78, 79, and 80. And we're going to start right here on this one, page 77, with the jerseys. We're going to put our name on top. I'm going to write Zippity Zebra. No, but that would be fun, wouldn't it? Mrs. Torres. Today, instead of just drawing our lines like we were, if we want to know if there's more red or more yellow, we're going to go a step further. We're going to what I do? Cover. You are going to need your little cubes if you have little cubes at home. I think everybody does. Shy, I think I sent you little cubes. I think I didn't send you big cubes. I think you have little ones. We're going to cover first. Then I'm going to count the yellows. Just the yellows. 1, 2. How many do I have? Yeah. I'm going to write it right here on this first yellow jersey. Big curve, down the slide, stop straight across that big old line. And so I counted the yellows. I'm going to count the reds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 reds. I'm going to write it right here on this one. Down and over, jump, down some more. That's how we make a 4. Which one is greater, 2 or 4? Whichever number we say last is bigger. So let's count in order. 1, 2. Oh, I heard 2. Did you hear 2? Wait, but we're not done. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 was last. That means 4 is greater. So I'm going to, look at this. What did I do to 4? I circled it. And guess what I'm going to do to 2? Get out of here, 2. Now, if I'm having trouble remembering, I could still match them and box my extra. If I box up extra reds, then I know that there must be more, right? Let's try it on the next page. Let's turn. Let's look up at these dots. First job we're going to do is we're going to cover up the purple dots and cover up the green dots. All right. Ready? If you're not, just press pause, no problem. Then we're going to count how many purple dots there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 purple dots. So I see a purple dot. We're going to write 5. Short neck, belly fat. Mr. 5 wears a hat. Oh, that wasn't a very good one. I'm going to try again. I'm lefty and these cubes were in my way, but I should have just fixed my hand. That's better. I could do better than that. Sorry. Fell off the track. All right, now I'm going to count the greens. Now, when I count the greens, I'm going to move them down so I don't get them mixed up, especially if I didn't have all the same color. But I borrowed these from Mrs. Bjorkman, and they're all the same colors. 1, 2. See how I move them away so I don't get my piles confused? And then I'm going to make my 2. Big curve, down the slide, stop, straight across that big old line. Are they the same? Are they equal? No, they had a circle thumbs down. We're going to do even better than that. Which one is greater? Look, they even showed us on this number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is greater because it comes last. So we're going to circle the 5. What do we tell that 2? Get out of here, 2. There's not enough of you. All right, let's do the tennis rackets and the ball. Cover the tennis rackets and the ball. I'm going to count the tennis rackets first. 1, 2, 3. How many tennis rackets were there? Yeah, so I'm going to write it. Around the tree and around the tree. That's how we make a 3. All right, let's count the ball. Remember, I'm going to slide a different direction. 1. Come straight down and then you're done. That's how you make a 1. Which one is greater? 1 or 3? Well, look, I can even look at my piles. There's definitely more blocks over here, right? So I'm going to circle my 3. And what am I going to do with that 1? Get out of here, 1. You're not enough. All right, let's do one more together. Ready? We got to cover the sticks. And the pucks. I'm going to count the sticks first because that's what they did. It looks like they want us to count the sticks first. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sticks? Yeah. I'm going to write it next. Down and over. Jump down some more. That's how we make a 4. Now I'm going to count the pucks. 1, 2, 3. How many pucks? Yeah. So now I'm going to write it. See how I went down with those so my piles didn't get mixed up? Around a tree and around a tree. Do you know which group is greater? If you do, go ahead and circle that number. I'm not sure because those numbers are really close. And even when I look at the blocks, they look almost the same. I'm gonna draw my line so I can check it out. Match, a match, a match. Oh, look, there's an extra. Did you circle the 4? If you did, good work. I wasn't sure, so I decided to do our other strategy. As soon as I made that box, I knew there must be more because there's extra. I'm going to cross off the 3. All right, listen, let me tell you something important. On each question, it's going to tell you to do one of the jobs. Circle or cross it off, but we're experts. We're super smart, so we're going to do both jobs. You're going to cover, count, write, circle, and cross off the group that's greater and less on all 3 of the soccer balls and goals, the paddles and ping pong balls, and the careful on number 3, and the baseball gloves and the baseballs. I was like, I don't see any baseballs. They totally almost got me. Remember what number we write when we don't see any. Tricky, tricky. Cover, count, write, and then circle one of the numbers and cross off the other, right? I want to see you do both those jobs. Cover, count, write. All right, and then on the back, your job is going to be to draw golf balls on the golf course on top so that the number of golf balls is greater than the number of golf clubs. So I'm going to show you this one, and then you're going to do the next one. The number of golf balls is greater. I wonder if that's it. I could match them. Ooh, do I have extra? So then I know it's greater. Then I can cover my golf balls and count them. One, two, three, 4, 5. You can make 5 just like me, or you can do your own number. You decide. And then I will write my 5 next to the golf balls. Then I will count my clubs. 1, 2, 3. And I will write my 3 next to the golf club. And then I will circle the one that's greater and cross off the one that's less. Hopefully the one that's greater is the golf balls, because that was the job, right? On the bottom, we're going to draw golf balls so that the golf balls are less than the golf clubs. That means there has to be more golf clubs, one without a partner at least. And then you're going to write your numbers in, where you can cover and count, write your numbers in, circle and cross off. Now, in class, we have to stop a lot and make sure nobody's confused. I just went through all those jobs, but guess what? It might be easier for you to go back and do this problem as we talk and press pause. Just keep stopping Mrs. Torres when you need her to. That's the cool part about remote learning, is that you can pause me and you can move me back and rewind me. Did you like my rewind? And you can play me again. And you can have me help you, or you can do it with me. Or you can show your grown-up what I was saying. Because your grown-up might read the directions at the bottom and say, why did you put an X? It said to just make a line. And you can go, oh, watch Mrs. Torres. Rewind Mrs. Torres. And show your grown-up, look, she said to put an X. I promise there's a method to my madness. All right. This is a little bit trickier. They made it even harder. Let's see if we can do it. I can't wait to see some fabulous math work. Off you go.